Alright you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your Chrome settings so that you can select where downloads go. So if you come up to the three dots in the top right corner, you can click on settings. Alright, you're going to want to look for settings, then you're going to want to come over to the left hand screen, come over to advanced, and go ahead and click on downloads. Alright, there's this option here. It says ask where to save each file before downloading. You're going to want to make sure that that is turned on. And then whenever you download a file from Dropbox, from anywhere online, it's going to ask you to select where to save that file. And that's extremely useful for me because I like to download files directly onto external hard drives to use in a variety of projects. So if you've had trouble with that before, it's just going to download straight to your downloads folder. There's no way for you to actually choose where it goes. Just go ahead and make sure that is selected on, and you'll be able to select where your files are downloaded from this point on. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We post all kinds of short tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions on any other things that revolve around building your brand online. Make videos all the time. Peace.